cause of the strike is the notice which has been served on our President Mia Abdul Qayyum. We feel that the notice is not bona fide. It is the outcome of a design of a conspiracy to lower down the credibility of our public men. A case stands registered some time back called RC10 by NIA. It's an open-ended FIR in which many people are being summoned on one pretext or the other. We know Mr. Mia Abdul Qayyum. He is not involved in any manner in this case at all. But at the same time, if the NIA wanted to record his statement or to question him, we strongly condemn his summoning to New Delhi. The same thing could have been done even at Srinagar if it was a simple case of recording the statement of a witness or seeking some information from him. Why he has been summoned to New Delhi, we feel that our respectable persons are being humiliated, they are not treated with dignity, and this all is intended to reduce them in their credibility among the people of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Negative publicity which has been given to a simple notice by the media is condemnable. They already punish the people who are simply summoned by the NIA. We feel that the NIA is abusing its authority. We feel that the process of law is being abused. So we are today protesting against it, and we are saying that we will continue to be on strike till such time the President of the Bar Association returns with dignity to the valley.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 019424685002468501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.